Are you looking for the best gaming PCs of 2023 that will take your gaming to the next level? Do you want to know which PCs have the most powerful performance, features, design, and price? Do you want to see what other gamers have to say about these PCs? Welcome to 5 Star, your go-to source for everything tech-related. In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 gaming PCs of 2023 that will blow your mind with their incredible performance, features, design, and price. And if you want to get your hands on any of these PCs, we have the links in the description below where you can snag the best deals and also support our channel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's dive in. First on our list is the MSI Infinite RS 13, a beast of a gaming PC that can handle anything you throw at it. This PC is powered by an Intel Core i9-11900K processor, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, 64GB of DDR4-3200 memory, and a massive 6TB of storage. It also has a sleek and futuristic design with RGB lighting and a tempered glass side panel that lets you admire the beauty of its components. The MSI Infinite RS 13 is the ultimate gaming PC for enthusiasts who want to experience gaming at its finest. The MSI Infinite RS 13 has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon and costs around $3,699. Here's what Jason, a verified buyer, had to say. "I bought this PC as a birthday gift for myself and I couldn't be happier. It runs every game I've tried on ultra settings with no lag or stuttering. The RGB lighting is amazing and the cooling system is very quiet. This PC is worth every penny." Next up, we have the Alienware Aurora R15, a powerful and stylish gaming PC that offers great performance and customization options. This PC is equipped with an Intel Core i9-11900KF processor, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080T graphics card, 32GB of DDR4-3200 memory, and 4TB of storage. It also has a unique and elegant design with an Alien FX RGB lighting system and a toolless chassis for easy upgrades. The Alienware Aurora R15 is a great gaming PC for gamers who want to make their PC their own. The Alienware Aurora R15 has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon and costs around $6,000. Here's what Sarah, a verified buyer, had to say. "I love this PC. It's fast, smooth, and beautiful. The RGB lighting is awesome and the software is easy to use. I can play any game I want on high settings with no issues. The PC is also very quiet and cool. I highly recommend this PC to anyone looking for a high-end gaming machine." Coming in at number 3 is the iBuyPower RDY, a high-end PC that arrives quickly and ready to use. It has an RTX 4080 GPU, an Intel Core i9-12900KF CPU, 32GB DDR5-4800 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. This PC is perfect for gamers who want a powerful and reliable PC that can run any game or application flawlessly and effortlessly, thanks to its top-notch components and quality build. It also has a black metal chassis, a tempered glass side panel, and RGB lighting effects. The iBuyPower RDY has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon and is available for around $2,599. Here's what Kevin, a verified buyer, had to say. "This PC is awesome. It arrived in 2 days and was easy to set up. It runs every game I play on max settings with no problems. The design is simple and elegant, and the RGB lights are customizable and fun. The PC is sturdy and well made, and the customer service is great. This PC is a great deal for the price." If you are looking for a gaming PC that can handle VR and high-end games, you might want to check out the CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC. This PC features an Intel Core i7-12700F processor, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, 16GB of DDR4-3000 memory and 1TB of SSD storage. It also has a sleek and modern design with a tempered glass side panel and a customizable RGB lighting system. The CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a great gaming PC for gamers who want to enjoy immersive and smooth gaming experiences. The CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon and costs $1,170. Here's what Jason, a verified buyer, had to say. I bought this PC for my son who loves VR games. He is very happy with it. The PC is very fast and runs all the games he plays on high settings with no lag or stutter. The PC is also very quiet and cool. The RGB lighting is very nice and he likes to change the colors. The PC is easy to set up and use. I think this PC is a great value for the money. Finally, we have the Acer Predator Orion 3000, a mid-range gaming PC that offers balanced performance and features for mainstream gamers. This PC is powered by an Intel Core i7-11700F processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, 16GB of DDR4-2933 memory and 1.5TB of storage. It also has a stylish and sturdy design with Predator RGB lighting and a carrying handle that makes it easy to move around. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a superb gaming PC for gamers who want a reliable and versatile option. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 has a rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars on Amazon and costs about $1,700. Here's what Mike, a verified buyer, had to say. This PC is awesome. It's fast, smooth and stable. It can run most games on high settings with no lag or overheating. The PC is also very easy to set up and operate. The RGB lighting is cool and the handle is convenient. I'm very happy with this PC. And that's a wrap, folks. You've just seen the top 5 gaming PCs that will rock your world with their amazing performance, features, design, and price. Which one did you like the most? Which one are you going to buy? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're interested in buying any of these gaming PCs, just click on the links in the description below and you'll get the best deals available online. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more 5-star videos. We have tons of awesome content coming your way, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you next time. This is 5-star, signing off.